With BMW Excellence Club, it's super excellent and super smooth.
BMW Excellence Club is a great way to be here.
It's very obvious that it's BMW because only they could pull this off.
Hello, my name is Savagya Butch and the Hollywood Reporter India is at the Cannes Film Festival. I'm here at the prestigious Martinez Hotel to capture all the excitement of the BMW Excellence Club members before they step on to the coveted red carpet. What does it mean for you personally to experience the Cannes Film Festival via the BMW Excellence Club?
Star-studded and glamorous, as you may expect. It feels exotic. It feels like another level completely. And not only that, the experience, it begins the minute I sit in my BMW.
Absolutely exclusive. Such a well-curated experience. Extremely full of memories for us. We're going to go back home with cherished memories.
Very happy that BMW invited us so we could experience it.
It's been wonderful right from when we arrived into the airport, the way we were picked up.
I absolutely love it. The vibe, the atmosphere is insane and everyone's looking gorgeous. I'm so excited for the red carpet.
What is the first word that comes to mind when you think of BMW Excellence Club?
Class, integrity, and perfection.
The first word, excellence. Luxury.
Well, I would say it's luxury because it's my husband's favorite brand.
Premium.
Exclusive.
Absolutely exclusive.
I want to say exclusive because I feel like this sort of an experience we're going to remember for years to come.
What has been the most surreal or pinch me moment so far for you at Cannes?
You know, the minute you enter, the minute you come and you see everyone and the hospitality and everything that they give towards you is so amazing. Well, that is not only surreal, not only excellence, but over the top BMW. Actually being on the red carpet for the first time ever, nothing beats that feeling.
Also the hotel, it's so buzzing. There's people that's constantly coming and going.
Now, as we all know, BMW has always been known for luxury, innovation and experiences beyond the car as well. Has being a part of the BMW Excellence Club changed the way you look at the brand?
The fact that they give you access and respect and great service from the cars to the whole club. Given that BMW gives me not only this experience, but also something much more than, that I see, I look and I feel every single day, I think BMW has done a fantastic job.
It's not easy for everyone to get access to such events. With BMW Excellence Club, it's super excellent and super smooth.
Thank you so much to BMW for offering us this platform.